If you're considering using Spova as your trading broker, here's a quick overview of how it works and what to consider before getting started. Spova is a CFD trading broker that provides access to multiple markets through a single platform designed for traders who value flexibility and ease of use. The platform is designed to be intuitive, allowing users to trade a range of instruments while managing positions within a streamlined interface. This makes it suitable for both newer traders and those who prefer a more simplified trading experience. Trading conditions typically include spreads and fees, which can vary depending on the account type and trading activity. Understanding these elements can help you choose what aligns best with your trading approach. Spova offers standard deposit and withdrawal options with availability depending on your region. The process is designed to be straightforward, allowing users to manage their funds efficiently within the platform. When evaluating any broker, factors such as regulation, platform reliability, and overall trading conditions play an important role in the decision-making process. Overall, Spova offers a straightforward CFD trading experience with a platform focused on accessibility and flexibility. It may be a suitable option for traders looking for a simple and structured way to access different markets, depending on their individual trading approach.